how to change address on UPS delivery. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. You can do that using UPS My Choice, which is going to be the best option. You can sign up or log in to UPS My Choice. They have a website and an app. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Find your package. Once you've logged in, navigate to the delivery planner or check the status of the package under tracking. Request an address change. You will select the package you want to reroute. Click the change delivery button. Options like deliver to another address, hold at UPS location, or reschedule delivery will be available. You want to enter the new address. You just gotta follow the prompts to provide the new delivery address, and then you confirm and pay. Some address changes may require a fee depending on the situation. Also, you can do this by calling UPS customer service. You can read through this right here. The UPS access point redirect. You can choose to have your package redirected to a nearby UPS access point like a local UPS store or pickup locker. You can also use UPS My Choice or the UPS app to select this option and choose a convenient access point location for pickup. And here are some address change restrictions. Certain shipments like those sent through UPS Next Day Air signature required or restricted items may have limitations on address changes. Sender permission. In some cases, the sender might not have placed restrictions on the package, meaning they will need to authorize it. To authorize an address change, they might have placed restrictions. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.